Need to make it like up here. It's so big, what the fuck?
Yeah, it happened. Waiting. You're live?
I think that's live, yeah.
No, it's not big. Look.
Oh, well, on my screen?
Yeah, it's only it's a little bit.
Beautiful people. What's up? You can hear me? Can you see my screen? What's up?
Yeah, they hear good.
Screen capture, active event. Ah, but when I broadcast the screen, then it's gonna show.
What it's gonna show?
Okay, going live. Hold on. Broadcasting screen.
What it's gonna show?
Now. Hello, everyone. Cindy, Alex. I'm the only beautiful person. Beautiful collection. Anastasio, Sam. Hello, everyone.
Oh. Perfect.
What is this box on the bottom right?
I don't know. Watch. You have
We
it.
are now live.
I think you wanted to make the chat here.
There's some box here.
Watch an
ALTCOIN.
editor.
Okay. Yeah, check alert box. Alert box event. Event list. What does event list mean?
Yes, yeah. No, get the fuck out of this event list. Get rid of it.
Well, what is an event?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. You don't need it. Trust me.
Hello, beautiful guys.
Oh,
One
now
second.
everything. Oh no.
Okay, I get rid of this event.
Yeah. Yes.
Epic. You and Slavic are some sex chicks. Yes.
Yes.
We're in a dress Skyview in
Yeah, it's not
back to in Dubai. We're gonna do some technical trading, guys. Oh, there's chat also down here.
Yeah, but you have only one chat. One is for you. The other one is. You can also delete one. Both.
Yeah, because they see my screen, so they don't need this
Yeah.
chat box. You and Slavic go to Ibiza.
Yes, it's Chris writing.
Yeah,
Chris
Chris
is
is in
writing
here
under
trying to-
fake name.
he messaging us every day. Come Ibiza, come Ibiza.
Yeah.
Bitcoin right now, very important that we hold here. I think it's still bullish, but we're getting a pushback. Let's jump in charts. And a pushback. Let's jump in charts. And everyone, by the way, join the new Telegram Crypto Guru Alerts. The link is in the description. James Crypto Guru Alerts, 94 subscribers. I posted some trades in here. Like here, I just posted a long setup for Solana. Join this. I'm going to be posting a lot of trades in here on Telegram. Let's look at Bitcoin. Sol looks bullish as long as Bitcoin holds on. This was the trade I posted because we got a W formation with massive volume on Solana. If you're looking at this, by the way, everyone, this is TradingView. You can learn it in the Crypto Master Course. Look at this volume. Look at this W. And when Bitcoin was pulling back the last few days, Solana actually didn't drop that much. In my opinion, it could be bottomed. And if it breaks through this resistance here with a very tight stop loss, nice risk to reward ratio trade, the take profit is at the top here. On Bybit, you would set this trade. Take profit at the top. This is where the trade will open in the middle. And the stop loss is this under the daily and the weekly chat. So it's a really nice, you're risking, it's a 10x leverage will be 280% trade profits, 6.6 risk ratio. So really nice. But let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, 20,400 having a pullback right now. Wow, that's a four, oh no, okay, not so much of a pullback. But we had this big bounce, we have volume, but look at the stochastic, it's overbought, turning to head down. That's not so nice on Bitcoin. On the RSI though, it's got more to go. But they're both turning a little bit down. So we need to get this to continue to remain really bullish. If we pull down, it will not be nice. We're at a big resistance on the daily and the weekly as well on Bitcoin. And if we zoom in, but we've still got this big cup and handle forming here. But we had a strong resistance right now. So let's see if it can hold. The actual resistance is here, 21,000. And this kind of looks like a V-shaped recovery, and it also looks like a cup and handle here. So it can still remain bullish. Could you see everything that I just said? Everyone, did that disconnect? Or you could see... Could you see the charts? Could you see everything? Or was it disconnected? I showed the Solana chart and I showed the Bitcoin chart. Guys, was it disconnected or was it working well? Oh, beautiful. Everyone could see it. Yes, nice. Slavic, do you still like Aave?
Right now in the bear market, nothing I like, but maybe when we drop further down, I will buy some Aave. But I focus right now to buying Ethereum, especially Ethereum, because I believe in Ethereum, but nobody knows, bro. It can be that Ethereum will same happen like Luna, you know. Nobody knows. Therefore, we're telling you, do your own research. We are showing you only what we are doing, and you have to decide then by yourself. It's just the opinion, no? Like a friend. What is a friend doing? You know, and sometimes friends taking heroin, but you shouldn't do it. I mean, you have to decide for yourself.
Me, why I'm trying to buy here a lot of Bitcoin is because Bitcoin is cheap. You know, like if you wanted to get Bitcoin, this was the time, in my opinion. 17K was very cheap in my mind. Everyone wanted to buy it at 69K, at 17K.
Yeah. You want some views?
Maria, in her new clothes. By the way, do you see at the top right, guys? 75,000 subscribers.
Bitcoin pounds, you made some money.
Yeah, she made money on Bitcoin, and then I didn't say anything. Beautiful. Do you have any questions for me and Slavic? Do you want me to analyze any charts, guys?
Any women?
I think it could have been the bottom because 17K is pretty cheap, like in people's minds. Worst case, I think, is 10K. And I've got money that I want to be buying into Bitcoin as it comes down. Do you think it was the bottom at 17K?
It's very difficult to say. I cannot say. I mean, based on the market cap and based on what Ron said, we bottomed out, yes. But I'm very, very sure that we will see another drop to 20K. Maybe not today or tomorrow, but it could easily be in the next weeks because
20K.
20K at least. I mean, no, 20K already we are. I mean, something like 18K or something like that. Because if you're watching based on the past, all the cycles, we bottomed out, then we saw huge pump, and after the whales shitted around, then we saw another huge dump, you know? So,
one sec, guys, I'm going to try to put you standing up.
Therefore, I expecting that we will see another huge drop.
They're saying we should make a comedy video.
Yes. Oh, I know a very good story where we can make a comedy story. No, I don't tell it. No, the thing, guy.
One sec, guys, I'm trying to put you standing up.
The thing is, Bradans, Jamie is a very, very funny guy, but he cannot show it on here, on TV, you know. But there will time coming, because I'm collecting all the stories, and I will do a movie all about the stories, and it will be the most funny movie which you ever saw.
But just put another Arab guy and just call him Big Balls Jack. No one will know it's
Big Balls Jack. And no one will ever thinking about that. It might be you.
It's hidden stories. It's genius.
Yes. Yeah, the stories are very interesting. Yeah.
Good day to you too, Kendall. Oh wow.
What?
How many women are in here, guys? Is it guys and girls? How many women do we have in this chat? Is it just guys that follow us?
1 for guys, 2 for girls. Fireballs. Fireballs with Bitcoin going to 100K.
Oh, there's a girl in here? Because 90%, the YouTube stats show that 90% of the people watching us are guys.
No, because it's what works, you know, all your TA
two.
all like rainbow charts, it's basically, you know, horoscope and astrology for men.
Yeah, that's right.
1.5. Wow, there's like 10 girls in here. Crypto Rover is here, guys. Guys and ladies.
Hello.
You want to see?
What is happening?
We're live.
With the market.
Nothing, Vlad.
Guys, everyone follow Crypto Rover's channel as well.
On which channel are we live right now?
on
Mine.
Big Boss.
Big boss. Do you have a goal? Subscriber goal?
Yeah, I tried
What
this.
is this? This subscriber goal?
Yeah, I have 75,000 subscribers, and our goal is 100,000 subscribers. Everyone, that green bar, if you subscribe, this green thing goes to
You
100%.
saw it.
100,000.
I thought, what is this gift?
I love watching your technical analysis while joking.
Yeah, I tell them every time. They're joking, why? You know, because they're switching from pawns to trading. It's
Really?
It's the same dopamine, you know?
Oh, that's not good. That's not good. You
Yeah.
have to stay focused while trading, guys.
This guy's 21, guys. He's 21 years old. When I was 21, I was like smoking, jerking. He's 21. He's making
Nothing changed.
He's making millions of dollars, living in Dubai in a dress sky. You're trading. How many people follow your channels? And stuff? He has
I got-
250,000 on Twitter.
Like, I just hit 83K on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
This,
Nice.
this is
go.
crazy, bro.
Yeah, but we will all hit 1 million. It's just like a matter
Yeah.
of time. Maybe 5 years, maybe 10 years. But
Just
But-
like Bitcoin, right? Like,
Yeah, just
we'll
like
keep a
Bitcoin.
million, just a matter of time.
we just have to wait.
But he's 21, just imagine, guys.
Yeah, 21. And he's doing business, algorithms, YouTube trading. Wait, what do you think about whales are pumping Bitcoin so the alts will pump and then they can still sell their alts and then crash again? I think everyone was panicking and selling like crazy. So
What are you right now doing in terms of trades?
I'm in a short right now.
I'm also in short.
Really?
they're both in shorts.
Yeah.
I closed my...
Team Bears.
No, not Team Bears. It's just so obvious. The market is just right now at a turning point once again. Like 4 hour, it's looking dangerous. If we can break above 22.7, I think we're going to go bullish because that's basically the range high. But it just looks so bearish.
Yeah.
It's just likely to have a continuation. And if we move up, yeah, you of course counter trade yourself because you have a big spot portfolio.
Yeah.
So it's right now also a little bit counter trading myself. That's why I'm short. Because otherwise I'm going to lose too much money.
Yeah, if it drops right now, big will be terrible.
But are you in a long or are you in a trade right now?
No trade on Bitcoin, I think. No trade on Bitcoin yet. I had a long, but it stopped out. What's the 21-year-old's YouTube channel? Crypto Rover.
Crypto row.
When will the MVP of the game will be released? I think this month or next month. I can't give an exact date. The team will announce it when the game is ready. His YouTube channel is Crypto Rover as well.
Yeah, check it out. It's very...
Who thinks Bitcoin is going to drop? Do you guys think Bitcoin is going to go up now or drop? 1, if it's going to go up from here. 2, if it's going to drop from here. What's everyone's? There's 200 people
I'm
in
curious.
here. Let's
about
get your info.
sideways?
And everyone smash up the thumbs up button. Let's get hundreds of likes so this increases. And share the video on your social networks, on TikTok, Instagram,
Let me
Facebook,
quickly
Twitter.
tweet
Let's get
it.
thousands of people in here. 2 is to drop. Make a live poll. Do you guys know how to make a live poll? 2. Everyone thinks it's going to drop. Guys,
Everyone think it's gonna
Yeah.
drop?
Everyone. 2.
It's crazy.
Shit, then we will see a huge pump, man.
Yeah.
If
No, but
everyone
look at this. We're in such a significant downtrend, and look at the momentum divergence. It's likely to drop from here.
Yeah, we see huge bearish divergence.
Let me retweet this stream.
But you know the thing is, yeah.
Everyone said 2, but if everyone thinks it's going to drop, this is good. I
What
think.
is the ratio of long and shorts right now? Does anybody know?
Should I check it out?
You know it?
I'm going to check it out right now. Wait, let me quickly tweet this.
Flash crashed to 12k. Can we see pump after MVP? I don't think anything is going to pump in these markets. But the main goal is build the best play to earn game for the long term, for the next bull run. Why Binance is so big is they were here in 2017 before the bear market, and they just kept building. The goal is to build during the bear market, then in the next bull market, you're the biggest companies.
Yeah.
Same with YouTube channels. Make videos non-stop during the bear market. In the bull market, you're the biggest YouTube channel.
100%.
Are you both? Slavic is heavily invested in
Oh yeah,
MCRT.
CoinGlass.
Rover, are you in MCRT?
It's yes, of course. Let me see what the rate is.
What?
Oh, it's in 51% long rate right now. And the funding,
51% long?
Yeah.
Oh, then yes.
That's
then the long
dangerous.
position gets
and
fucked.
also the fundings are not very negative. So that's.
Yeah.
But everyone said that it's going to crash.
Yeah, but
because your audience is very smart.
you
That's
will-
why,
yeah.
you know?
It's either everyone here is very smart or you're all wrong and we're going to go up.
So let's see.
These guys, Maria, they want you in the video as well.
yeah, sure, bro. But this is when we need more views. Maria, you want to join?
Or I'm gonna sit there like railing like that.
Maybe we
Bring
go
my
a
chair,
little
bring
bit
my
to the
chair.
left. Then Maria can also fit here. So. Oh, now the views. Look how the views now
Yeah,
exploding.
Oh,
Now
yeah,
they-
went up.
but now they're starting jerking again. You know, this is the problem. You know.
Maria is very smart at crypto as well.
Yeah,
Do you
Sometimes.
run the crypto socials or?
No.
but she's amazing. She know a lot of things in crypto.
James, course telling us it's going down. We can't see your biceps. Good. I have nice ones. Who's got biggest?
Yeah, you of course.
You have the biggest man.
Yes. What do you think
Just
about
want to
whales
stop
pumping
the-
Bitcoin? So
Bitcoin is
also
dropping there. So.
Bitcoin is
dropping?
dropping.
Oh yes, my trade.
It's dropping.
It's not. It's like low leverage.
But how much did it drop?
Drop not
$100 is not a drop. Wow, Nisha
Oh,
loves
it's
you, Maria.
dropping. Yes, 20,000. Ooh, it's dropping. Yeah.
That's good.
Oh, this
So I
motherfucker
guess we
dropping.
got our answer
It's
about
100
like if you have a smart audience or not smart audience.
What?
Very smart audience.
So next time we just go to
Everyone
James'
gets
videos
right.
and we look at the comments.
Yeah.
They want a new YouTube channel with us all in it called Mole Rats.
Mall rats? What means mall rats?
I'm not sure. I think it's from a movie. What's Cardinham? What is Mole Rats? What do you guys think of Solana? I think if Bitcoin holds here, Solana's going to have a mega pump. I posted in the Telegram group, guys. You can go into this Telegram group.
How much do you have a contract size on
Crypto
your
Guru
position right
Alerts. And I posted a trade about Solana
23K.
here.
Yeah, I
Solana
have
long
10K
potential because there's a W. But it only works if Bitcoin holds. Solana long potential setup. This is the trade setup. But only if Bitcoin
I only
holds.
have 3x leverage right now. So manual.
Everyone's hitting on you, Maria.
What?
They're either saying I look gorgeous or you, Maria, looks
No, of
gorgeous.
course it's you. I'm average.
Wait a minute. How they can you and you compare with each other?
I know. I so much.
Someone
more
is
beautiful.
either a man or girl.
No, they were either talking about me or her when they
Solana or
said.
Cardano? Cardano, of course.
Yeah, me
Yeah, of
Solana.
course. Why
You choose-
Solana? It's the shittiest network.
No, it's got very low fees, very fast transactions. Cardano.
Yeah, but-
Who uses Cardano for anything? Do
Okay,
you use
so-
Cardano? Have you ever used Cardano?
No, I didn't. But,
Who's used Cardano for anything?
but Solana is like the best rip-off. It's just like a rip-off, and they went with the hype. So they benefited from the hype in the markets.
Yeah, but they're solving problems. Like a lot of like
But their
a lot of apps are
transactions,
using-
like 10 to 12% of the transactions get stuck in Solana.
No,
It's not working
nowadays-
properly.
Yeah, but that's you're gonna have when you have 100,000 transactions. Well, what is it? 200.
And then they're hating on Ethereum, and Ethereum is actually trying to only go to the next stage of the market if everything is solved and they don't have issues. So I think like the Solana fanboys, I don't really like.
Yeah, but when you're building something that's revolutionary, like they have 250,000 transactions, it's going to have problems. When
Yeah.
they fix these problems, the other people that try to build it, they're also going to have problems. But Solana already fixed it. You get what I mean?
Yeah, okay.
It's ahead of the.
What do you think about the decision yesterday to OTC liquidate the whale?
Yeah, that's not a nice idea.
It's not nice.
It's already liquidated.
It's like the whole
Oh, they liquidated it?
decentralization.
No, it's
What
not
they
already
did?
liquidated.
There was a whale who had 160 million or something of
Solana.
Solana, and they want to take away his money.
So because
Oh,
otherwise
and they took away.
They
No,
had a
so what they-
decentralized vote.
Yeah, but basically what happened, they created DAO website for the voting that was supposed to work for 6 hours. 3 hours out of 6 hours it was down. And then one whale voted yes, and he got 98% of the votes. So basically the whole idea of decentralization, like flashing down the throat, because they decided to OTC liquidate him, like with some weird voting system. And it's
But they
almost-
liquidate or not?
They supposed to, right? But like they have this power now.
But they
It's
didn't.
OTC liquidated, so it's not dropped in the market.
No. So basically it's, sacrificing one person for the good of like many people, hypothetically. But also like where is our decentralization?
But what the fuck? This is like how it called? It's like Kim Jong Un,
Basically like exactly, right? Because in the white paper they're saying that like we can do whatever we want with the token.
But really?
Yes, Dave,
But
if you
how
want me to
people
analyze
not
the stock, I
talking
can.
about it and say what the fuck?
They do, right?
But where the whale had so much money and so much Solana? Why?
They,
It was
they
invested.
borrow also.
Borrow?
Partially
He
they
bought a
borrow.
lot. No, and then he borrowed against the Solana.
Yes.
When
So
I was
long?
21, I was snorting lines and rooting nines.
So actually, I think in the coming 5 to 15 weeks, we're going to get that relief rally. And if we get a rally, to 37k. It's a 105% move already. From like a all-time high retest plus. On top of that, we have the CME gap of 37k, 36k. Like, in my opinion, we need a relief. Like the coming 5 to 15 weeks. Let's see how it's going. It's an all-time high retest, and look at the MACD losing, it's losing sell momentum while the price actually keeps on dropping down, and also weekly oversold more than ever before. So.
But usually when you have this big selling and nothing holding it up, and it's like panic selling.
This is only a theory. It's not. I just show you. It's not.
Oh, it's a bit of hobby,
Like,
you know?
If we look at the 2019 mini bull market rally, bear market rally, it was only 30% away from the all-time high. It went only 13% away from the all-time high. If we're going to have the same, we're going to go back to 50k and then go down once again to 30k. Right?
But anyways, I mean,
so there are very big moves looming on the table.
Yeah.
There are very big opportunities for spot positions, not leverage.
Yeah.
This is definitely so worth it.
Yeah.
For
I bought for 400,000 or 500,000 Ethereum and
maybe
Bitcoin.
it's not the exact bottom that you're currently buying at, but it's like
No, Michael Saylor won't
average
get
price,
liquidated.
and then at 50 selling, and then waiting until it again drops. You know.
Yeah, in my opinion, towards the top was selling. To sell down here is not so smart. Now is more time for buying.
Also 30k, like in hindsight, 30k was a good sell range, but still I don't regret not selling my Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Michael Saylor won't get liquidated till 3k. It's all bullshit.
Hopefully you get liquidated. Then
If
we
he
can buy
gets
cheaper.
liquidated, then the price
Then I
will
make a big party.
I'm not Wahib. I haven't sold any MCRT. I will sell it when it's like more than $100 million market cap or more. Not all of it. I'll just sell like a little bit if I want to buy a super yacht or something. But my goal is to make it a top 10 market cap. What about Luna? Luna Classic is dead. Now they're moving on to Luna.
Also in US, you know.
Yeah.
Also in US. Yeah.
People were buying, but now the money is exhausted. That could be. Yeah, it needed to like keep going up to FOMO everyone back in.
But there's going to be just some point in the market that there is no one willing to actually sell. And like if you look at the NVRZ score, you can clearly see we're in capitulation stages right in the market. If you look at the unrealized loss, we've never seen such big of a loss in the market. Like capitulation is here. There's never been so much realized loss in the market. Never in history, so many people have sold their Bitcoins against a loss. And historically speaking, once realized loss is spiking, it means that the bottom is either in or very close. That's and I got some charts for you guys. Also, look at this. It's pretty interesting. Biggest outflow ever since 2020.
Yeah.
On the exchanges.
Weights accumulating. The more we're dropping, the more weights.
But look at this. This is the.
Peter Schiff was right.
Oh, this is the NUP. Oh, damn it. This is the
Yes.
NUPL. So this is the unrealized loss basically in the market. It's currently entering capitulation stages, and this clearly suggests bottom signals.
Hector says, "Get out of the way. I want to see Maria."
Oh, I'm sorry.
You are with this charts, man.
Okay.
He's just joking.
Where are we going with this thing?
Eldon, I remember you. You're amazing. Eldon, guys, if you don't know the story about Eldon, he bought a Jeep with profits from trading, from watching videos, my videos and other videos, and then he stuck my face on the back of his Jeep.
Really?
Yeah.
No way.
Like a cool Jeep too. It's epic. And he bought a motorbike.
Wow.
Yeah, nice stuff.
What a
You're the
legend.
best, Eldon.
Wait a minute.
Is
After
he,
My
he's in
face
the
doing
chat
like
right
this.
now?
after
Yeah.
he made profits
No
with
way.
you.
Yeah, he made profits and then bought a Jeep, like an epic Jeep. He has cool
crazy.
Jeep
Wow.
and epic motorbike. You're the best. Do you still have this sticker of my face on the back of your car?
Now
Bear
all
market,
the all
man,
the
come on. It's bear market.
all the women run after your car right now.
The Fed is increasing rates. Now everyone expects it. My face is still on the back of his car. So they're expecting, you're the best. They're still expecting rates to keep increasing. So the market already priced in what's happening. The only thing that will cause massive panic if the Fed comes and increases rates massive, like 100-point increase, and then it'll be big panic.
Did you know, like previously around, the market even reversed once the Federal Reserve was still hiking rates, but as soon as the Federal Reserve says the end is close, then the market is already going to price it in, so the market is going to go up. So always markets price it in.
If one time the inflation data comes back a little bit lower, it's going to pump everything. Da Vinci thinks the bottom is in, they said. Yes, it's a tattoo tikal. Peace sign. Do you have any questions for these guys? They're all crypto pros. Her as well. Maria's a big crypto. She knows a lot. She's been in the market. She knows everything. Ask her anything about crypto. Will Doge go back to 20 cents? Would you buy Doge?
Ask Elon.
She says, ask Elon. Elon's tweeted the other day that he's still backing Dogecoin. He's the richest person, or probably second, now richest person in the world, above CZ probably. So I wouldn't go against the richest person in the world when it comes to like a financial asset.
Unless he's holding, like actually the biggest whale wallet that's holding 70% of Dogecoin is belong to Elon, and then basically you can be his exit liquidity. So
He's already
the risks.
100
He's
billion.
already too rich. Why
Yeah,
should
he
he exit?
won't exit into.
He only wants to change the world.
Marilia goes, women will always know everything. They think. James and Rover, are we going to see a bounce, Slavic, to 21k before going down again? We had the bounce to 21k, right?
We had like a 15 or 20% bounce.
We can't break 19k here. We want to keep moving up. If we break 19k, there would be a lot of panic. Everyone will sell everything and then we again fall.
Yeah.
What altcoins are you holding, Maria?
Right now, none. I exit everything. I probably have like a very small percentage, like in some shitcoin that doesn't make even sense to sell. But I would say 90% I'm out of the market right now.
Well, you didn't buy back in Bitcoin?
I bought Bitcoin at 18,000, but right now I'm still holding them. I'm mostly in stables right now in USDC. I'm still
She's
waiting
mainly
because
in
I don't
stables.
think that we bottom.
And Slavic, how much of your portfolio of crypto have you put back into crypto? How much is stable coins?
Well, I don't know. I know I put right now 400 or 500,000. I bought in Ethereum and Bitcoin, and I have a lot of still in altcoins which I didn't sold because they are anyways like piece of shit right now. And I have a lot of USDC and BUSD still to buy back.
You, Rover? How much of
Only
your portfolio?
15% left in stables right now.
Rover's 15% stables.
But still,
15?
Only 15. Yeah.
One
very
five.
low.
You bought so much, right?
I bought lots along the way down, but still dollar cost averaging every single day. That's,
BTC or also out?
only BTC.
I
Also
am-
no Ethereum right now.
Why?
Because
30%.
Ethereum is it's dangerous. So much money is getting borrowed against each other right now in the protocol, and that's why it is having way more risk. So as soon as the dust settles, I will start to buy into altcoins. But right now it's too risky. I know I'm not going to catch the bottom with Ethereum and altcoins, but I don't care.
Sure, 100%. I also bought a lot there because I thought anyways,
But you bought
Like
at
a-
800, 900, right? Ethereum. Slavic.
What?
You bought at 800. And
I bought
900.
Ethereum at 1,200, at 1,000, and at 900 I bought.
Crazy. Ethereum is what, 4,000, almost 5,000.
Yeah,
it's
just
almost
imagine.
like
I have right now dollar cost average on 1,000, and I bought 500,000 or something, and in the bull market will 10 to 20x. So this is alone. This will be 5 to 10 million.
Yeah, maybe it's taking 2 or 3 years, but
But
don't
it
care.
doesn't matter.
Yeah,
It
we
doesn't
don't
matter.
care.
I mean, bro, just imagine you can right now chilling, and in 2 years you have 5 to 10 million. Just
That's a
from
very cool
one.
concept.
MCRT, the
Huh?
team is
That's a
building,
cool
and they're building an epic game. Like I've seen some of the designs and things. It's crazy what they're building, and it's going to be really
But only
the
I'm
first
scared
play-to-earn game that's actually a
What is
game
it?
that
What
you
is
can
it?
play.
The merge for Ethereum, I'm scared for it.
Why?
Because it's going to cause more sell pressure.
Why?
Because you have all the staked Ethereum that's currently locked in the pool, and everyone sells just they all want to unlock their staked
That's
Ethereum.
August.
August, yes.
August, yeah.
They want to all unlock their staked Ethereum, but they can't until the merge comes out.
And when is
So-
exactly in August the merge?
I don't know, but so people are normally very hyped up about the merge, but actually it's going to cause a lot of sell pressure because
But-
all the staked Ethereum they can get it out of the protocols and sell it. Like Celsius, they want to sell because they want to bring down their collaterals.
But anyways, just imagine how beautiful if we know the exact date, because I also know in August, but not exact date.
Does anyone
then
know
we
exact
can sell shortly before all Ethereum, and then buying back very cheap.
Yeah, but if the market is in a bullish phase, we're probably going to absorb it because people are going to the other side. But it's always with these kinds of events, sell the news, buy the news. So in the run up to the merge, it's going to probably have a big hype run up, But actually, on the merge, there's going to be sell pressure.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah, if it's going to be like way too
It's
much
like
sell pressure, then
it's like 3 million Ethereum that will be getting unlocked.
What happens if they make a mistake and fuck something up? That's the problem.
then there would be a true merge, and we're all gonna move, like all together in one room because we're not gonna be able to afford, apartment individually.
This is very
Then it's a
dangerous to
true
be in
merge
one
of
room with
Ethereum.
Jamie.
What's your top? Okay, let's do top 2 altcoins. Slavic.
Top 2 altcoins: Ethereum, obviously, and Cardano, because I have so much invested in Cardano and haven't sold it.
Mine is wrapped Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin and MCRT, obviously, because it's my project. I know what we're building, but I would say Bitcoin, Ethereum, and CRV and Bit. I would say CRV.
Very simple, exchange tokens, because they perform the best in the bear market. So BNB and FTT, the highest, a bit not.
No?
Only BNB and FTT.
Oh
FTX
yes, they will
and
make
BNB.
so much.
Exchanges make money in the bear market because now, like, the price dropped, right? And everyone's like, "Oh, exchanges fuck," but not really. Exchanges make money when all this trading is happening. So Binance, Bybit,
And look at the developer team
FTX.
from Binance, and look at how much. Look at the BNB compared to Bitcoin chart. If you look at that chart, you get convinced what you should be buying. I
You
will show
bought some BNB?
I've been only
Or you bought
altcoins I've been
Bitcoin?
buying is BNB, FTX.
But right now in the drop.
Yeah, that's the only altcoins.
You
I'm
bought
not even
BNB?
about Ethereum so much.
BNB is a nice buy.
Yeah, BNB I should also
Yeah,
buy.
180 was a nice buy for BNB.
Maybe I will buy BNB right now.
Maria, your top 2 altcoins?
Look at this.
Ethereum.
This is BNB
and
compared
another
to Bitcoin.
one, I mean, like right now when I hear points about,
This is
Wow.
crazy.
This is
But
a
that's
beautiful.
bullish.
This,
It looks very nice.
this on the weekly time
Sure.
frame. BNB compared to
It's a
Bitcoin.
bullish.
Symmetrical triangle continuation pattern. But
Yes,
it's like
BNB I think is going to become like Google, or like BNB is already the level of Google, Tesla,
How much
Facebook.
is right now BNB?
They make
200
billions of
so
profits.
cheap,
BNB.
so cheap.
Shit, I should
The
buy.
market cap is like 40
100K.
billion or 30 billion, right?
Yeah,
But this
and
is a company that makes like billions of profits, like the same level of Google, Facebook. So I think they're very undervalued.
But they didn't add
know-
so much fall like Bitcoin right now, right? They
True,
No,
they
they
were
went
year
from
to down
570.
50% and Bitcoin 60%, so they're holding up better than Bitcoin.
Shit.
And
Why they
also,
don't?
you know what's interesting? Like the best marketing that they have is just coin marketing to be on the top, right? But Crypto.com is spending so much money on Super Bowl ads, etc., and they didn't. And right now they can still hire new employees. They're still developing. They've got literally the biggest developer team of all cryptocurrencies, and they're just an exchange token. Just think about that. They're building a chain that is revolutionary. You should invest your money where
100.
BNB.
At $8.
Yeah.
Wow,
Our goal is
really?
to get MCRT
also
on the
for
biggest
them,
exchanges,
you know,
Binance, Coinbase. In the long term, that's our
Only like
goal.
200 euros.
Ah,
Exchange listings
But
though
still,
won't happen till we
for
get
me,
some
I made a
bullishness
big
in the
jump
markets.
on-
Otherwise, the
from
pump just
200
fades.
to €1, how much you made?
Like for my BNB, I made like 35K. But
From
not-
200? Wow.
But also for my Cardano it was 100x because I sold everything on $3. And I bought back at 220. 50%.
You bought at 220? I
Yeah.
bought at 160. Yeah, welcome. Man.
But
What
but
is
I
it
have
now?
more tokens than the beginning.
Shit.
Right
Yeah,
now
yeah,
it's
but
50 cents or something. How much is that?
Did you hold your?
30 cents.
30
Did you
cents.
hold?
I
your
bought,
setup?
huh?
88. You hold it or you sold it?
No, I hold it
Now it's
because
diamond hands. Now it's diamond hands.
I am real diamond, and you too, right?
I actually still my initial buy was 3 cents, so I'm still on a massive profit. Only my unrealized profit was way more.
But you are still right now, right? In Cardano,
Definitely,
right?
definitely. I
What
only
would be
have
the
more.
next biggest trend?
Slavic was a big fan of Luna. What do you think now? Luna was very popular, but
Luna
it
was
broke.
the best. Luna was the best. But if I did my research better instead of riding the hype, I shouldn't know it because it's obvious if you read the white paper. But I was also too lazy, and everyone said it will be nice. And
Yeah, on the
it's-
charts it was looking amazing.
And on the charts, and I made also huge profits on Luna. You remember, you can watch my videos. We made so much profits, and then yeah. But luckily, I sold Luna.
He sold
before
it
the
at
drop.
80 something. He shorted it at 80. If you kept that short open, he'd be already like.
Yes.
It'd already be earning this
I
building.
short it, but then I closed too early. You know, I closed with 100K in profit. But if I didn't close it because I was in a short with 500,000, And if I not closed it, I had billions. We
You were probably
calculate.
going to get stopped up by the exchange.
You think?
Yeah, they were going to wipe off your trade. I know for sure.
Why?
Because
But
otherwise
this
you
un-
make too much money.
Why they do?
They do that always. Like BitMEX did it, every exchange would do it. So you would have made much money.
Why they do?
They do that always. Like BitMEX did it, every exchange would do it. So you would have made more profit for sure, but they would have wiped out your trade.
But imagine I'm already billionaire, but not in the other
In the bear market, it's
in the
even better.
parallel universe, you know, in the bear market.
Bro, you know how much money you were making in the bull market.
Shit. And you know the crazy thing is only one did billions with Luna, and this Do Kwon. You know, he fucked everyone. And he's still the master of stablecoins on his Twitter, you know?
Yeah, he's,
master of stablecoin.
Yeah,
it's like a fucking
after all
joke.
that fuckery, he even launched Luna 2.0.
Yeah,
Versus,
and
like,
no-
if it was
and
a
everyone
traditional
like,
market,
fuck,
you know,
I buy.
so they're probably, you know, under investigation.
Spot long term. What is your like long term coins? I like BNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum, MCRT, CRV, Bit.
Long term.
Long term coin.
Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, I think also, yes.
BNB, because it's a long-term project, it's just a company that's only going to grow, and just see it like they're not going public like Coinbase, but they have their own coin, and that's.
But they will not go public.
no,
you
they
think?
won't. They won't.
Why?
Eventually, I think they will.
I mean, eventually they will, but their coin is also their stock. So that BNB is a very good long-term investment. Cardano for sure. If you just look at the smart contract deployments and how quick it's growing the network, and also the institutional interest on Cardano right now, I think it's also a pretty good long-term bet.
I think it will also go to $8 to $10
Eventually,
Cardano.
for sure.
Yeah, in 3 years or
Yeah,
something
maybe
like that.
it's going to take a little bit longer, but it's
Yeah.
just a long-term investment once again.
Bob says, "Can you guys shut up so we can focus on Maria's sexy voice?" Okay,
Okay, let's be quiet.
Maria, what's your top?
To all of the above, I would probably also add Monero because I think that in the next bull run, anything related to privacy would be very, very.
You know, you
trendy,
can't
like-
withdraw. You can't withdraw privacy coins on Binance. If you try to do a withdrawal from Binance to your bank account, it doesn't let you unless you sell your privacy coins.
Which is very interesting. So I actually think that's like in the next bull run, everything that's like, you know, this bull run, everything that's adding of metaverse, you know, is booming. So I think in the next bull run, everything that would be, you know, saying that it's a privacy coin, basically actually Bitcoin, you know, also can be a privacy coin, right? With Zcash, Monero, all of those, I think also, you know, there is a big potential.
I think also Web3.
Because Monero is no brainer.
Yeah, I think play to earn games. I like obviously I'm the founder of Play to Earn game, but who's gonna ever play a normal game again if play to earn games exist and you can make real money inside the games? So I think all the big play to earn games that have really big studios are gonna be massive. When using a VPN to buy in exchanges bring us problems long term. I've been told that Bybit won't block anyone that uses VPN, but it's still a risky thing depending on your country. But VPNs is like getting around. They don't know which country you're from. What about ApeCoin?
Why you don't think?
Only Bitcoin.
Ethereum also.
Yeah, me, Bitcoin and Ethereum a lot.
Bitcoin, Ethereum.
Solana.
Yeah.
Not
I
Maria?
would probably wait, you know, like if, for example, goes, you know, above 41 and 20, like there is a potential that we're gonna have actually an altcoin summer, right? Then basically you can long, you know, a bunch of things. You can long Atom, you can long probably even XRP.
If Bitcoin has a bit of a pump, all the alts will like recover massively because people will FOMO back into everything.
You saw it already happening today.
Yes, you can trade leverage Bybit, guys. So like if you want to trade,
Who?
And what you do, you block me.
What?
yeah, he blocked me as well.
What did you do?
Watch your guru.
Send
Yeah,
a
why
dick
do you
pic?
block us all
Did
the
you
time?
send a dick pic?
And everyone
Why he
subscribe
blocked you?
up there. You can see the number of
one, this
subscribers.
way.
I know, I can't find a real account because you blocked me. I
Ah,
don't
it
know why.
froze?
Me-
Oh, that
me-
sucks.
Also-
Many people, people on Twitter are very toxic, so they block. It's not live.
Yeah, the chats are also lagged.
It's not live. Oh, it's live again. Yeah, we're
Okay,
back.
we're back.
It's lagging.
Very laggy, but
Yeah, we're back again.
2 FPS. What the fuck?
That's crazy.
Do I have like some VPN or something? No. Guys, the internet is shitty here for some reason.
McDonald's has free Wi-Fi.
Okay, I switched back to Wi-Fi. Yeah, McDonald's has free Wi-Fi. Okay, change back to Wi-Fi. Let's see if it works. But yeah, sometimes it works and I can show the charts. Other times it disconnects, which is annoying.
Fine again.
That someone must go to $0 to bottom. I don't know what you mean. 2 FPS right now.
No, it's good. It's good. Quality is good. You see, it's good quality.
Okay, let's see if I change to chart. Yeah, you guys can see the chart. So this is where I'll be buying Bitcoin at these blue lines coming down. And we're sitting on one of the major areas right now. But these blue lines are the buying areas. Supports that go back a long time. Like if you zoom out, these are supports that are like very strong for Bitcoin. 13K, 10K, 17K. I don't know if it'll go down, but don't go all in. Make sure you have money left over in case it does come down. Long term, my goal for MCRT is I'm going to keep building it till it's the best play to earn game. So if it goes into the top 10 market cap, it'll be at like $5 or $10. Do you know if Bybit leverage works in Australia? Good question, Larry.
I think you have to use it.
I don't know, but
No, it works. It works.
it works. But if you're in a country that blocks you, there's a way to get around country blockages.
And Bybit is definitely the best.
Thanks,
exchange
guys.
to use.
See you. Thank you, man.
Bybit is definitely the best exchange to use because
Yeah.
they've got the biggest order books from all the derivative exchanges.
What they
We
have?
all use
The
Bybit
biggest
for
order
trading.
books. So you can. It's the smartest to fill your orders on Bybit rather than Femex or another exchange because the order book is way thicker.
Abhishek, does anyone
So
buy
you get less of these
Phantom?
scam risks.
Does anyone know about Phantom or buy Phantom? I know they're a cool
I hold,
project.
I hold Phantom.
Do you like the project?
I not about liking. I about which project I can make money.
It's about diverging.
Yeah, don't get married
Don't get married.
to like in general and also especially to any crypto, unless it's Bitcoin, you know.
Why does it say 2 FPS?
I don't know, but it is alright.
Turn off Wi-Fi.
But then it disconnected. In US, I use
Like
Max
it's
C.
alright. It works.
Okay, nice.
Connection is good.
Do you guys have questions for everyone? Bitcoin, long or short? They're both in shorts right now. I would set up a long
Very
trade
small.
with a tight stop loss. If we drop, it's going to be sucky anyway.
But if we break the 22.8k, then we're going to be bullish.
You need to deposit, to get the
Yeah.
full bonus, you need to deposit, I think, 1 or 2 Bitcoin, right? To
Yeah,
get the full
2
bonus on
Bitcoin,
back.
something.
2 Bitcoin to get the full bonus. Maria, what do you think about play to earn games and MCRT?
I totally agree with you. That's also would be one of the biggest niche, you know, like maybe not so much during the bear market because everyone would be very skeptical about a bunch of things in altcoins, right? But in the future, yeah, I mean, like the market cap of gaming crypto is not even remotely close to what it's going to be, right? Like, and even if you look at the traditional gaming industry, it's growing every year exponentially. So that's the future.
Is Solana going to go to 0? No. Unlikely, unless
wrong,
the
maybe.
breaks.
Did you know that the dot-com bubble burst on 3 trillion market cap, and Bitcoin was also, like the cryptocurrency market cap was also 3 trillion at the highest point?
Oh,
Pretty interesting.
shit. Oh,
But now just Apple is worth 3 trillion.
Yeah, true. So, and there's way more money in circulation.
What news came out? Groans Simba. What news? Last warning, get out of Solana. Just a few minutes ago, the news came out. What is the news?
Oh, Solana voted right now, one of the protocol, right, like voted that they're going to cancellate the previous votes about taking over the Waze wallet, so, you know, they're going crazy with voting. And now they're probably going to vote, you know, like on the second vote that they vote on the first vote. I don't know, Solana looks a little bit shaky.
Okay, let's do some TA, guys. Any questions for any alts? But let's see if it works. Do you see my charts, everyone? Can you see my charts? Go, 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 let me know. Oh, Bitcoin pumped just now, 20,600.
oh.
300 from... Guys, yeah, you could see my charts? Awesome. So Bitcoin, I would be going long here because I see a big cup and handle here. This one, cup and handle, I would go long, 15-minute time frame. So I would set this
But handle probably too long.
this chart here. take profit here, the base of the cup. So this distance here is where I would be going long on this is my target. I would open, my target would be this one. So I would open the target here, 22,500. I'd go long on Bitcoin on Bybit. This is the trade setup, everyone. So when you look at it, this is the stop loss down here, 19,598. That's the stop loss. This is where the trade opens on the daily, monthly, weekly resistance, and this is the take profit. And I do it on Bybit, so I'm going to do it right now to show you. So I'm going to actually open this trade that we're seeing right now. So I go over to Bybit. You can use this link in the description. Link in the description down below under the video, this link to sign up to Bybit. You get a 4,800 bonus. Then I would open this trade on Bybit. So I'm going to actually open it. I've got no order, so I'm going to do I'll do a 10x because it's too much wicking around. So I'm going to do a 10x leverage trade on Bybit. I'm going to do a $300 trade, so it's about $3,000 trade. I'm going to open the price right now. I'm going to set the take profit at, I'm going to open the trade first, and then I'm going to set take profit and stop loss. So it's a 1.43 Bitcoin trade. Confirm. Oh, it pumped, so it didn't open the trade. Okay, I gotta do it again. It pumped too quickly, so I'm going to open the trade. I'm going to do market, so it executes instantly. So it's around there, that trade is open. 10x leverage, so it's a $3,000 trade. And I'm going to put the take profit, set the take profit and stop loss. Take profit and stop loss. Take profit will be at here, 22,600. Stop loss 19,600. 22,600, 19,600. So I'm risking $147 to make $281. Confirm. This trade is now set and slightly in the profits, or even. It's about even right now. So I just opened this exact trade on Bitcoin. This is the trade. So I'm going to actually share this also in my Telegram group. You can all join. This is the Telegram group, Crypto Guru Alerts, where I share trades. So I'm going to share this trade. And I longed Bitcoin. BTC long. Hopefully you guys could all see that. Let's see. I'm going to go into the chat. Could you all see that? Did you guys see that, or did it disconnect? It looks like it disconnected. Could you guys see that, or did it disconnect? Were you able to see my charts? I just posted a trade just now, but I think it disconnected. Oh, you saw the charts? You saw the trade? Oh, nice. Beautiful. Yeah, that's the trade that's active now. I just posted it here in the Telegram as well. Crypto Guru Alerts. The link is in the description. This is the Bitcoin long. And over on Bybit, that trade is now open. It's currently $1.70 in the negative. But that Bitcoin long is open. That's how easy it is to open a trade with Bybit. That's why I like Bybit. Awesome. Do you guys want me to analyze? List any tickers you want me to check out. Slavic shorted. Did you close your short, or it's still short? He's still short right now. Where's your stop loss?
I manage it by myself. Stop loss. I have 21.1k.
21.1k. Check Solana or find source of info. Are you guys in address Skyview? Yes, Rahman, we're in address. WSG is 700k market cap right now. What is WSG? I just got on board with James, 125x, nice, but too much Skywalker, so much leverage. You get liquidated quick. Tesla, let's check out Tesla. I also buy and sell stocks, guys. The stocks that I like right now, like Facebook. Half of my portfolio is stocks. I like QCOM, I like Coinbase, but the stock market is cloned today. I like Taiwan Semiconductors, I like Tesla, I like Meta. Tesla, if I just look at the charts on Tesla, The major supports are at 548 and 363, but it looks like a double bottom on Tesla, everyone. So Tesla, this looks like a double bottom here. So we've got a double bottom. So most likely Tesla's going to have a run to 776. I would actually be buying Tesla right now. Could you all see my charts again where I showed Tesla? I don't know why it keeps disconnecting. Does anyone have any idea how to stop this from disconnecting? CRV. Okay, I'll check out CRV. Did you guys see Tesla when I just showed the charts? Oh, MCRT is pumping. Nice. Did you guys see the Tesla charts? Oh, nice. So you saw Tesla. My targets for Tesla? Tesla looks bottomed out. Epic. Okay, let's do CRV. I'll quickly do CRV. CRV 70 cents right now. My long from CRV is working up beautifully. Who followed my long trade in the... I had a long on CRV. I posted about it today. I'm going to show you, but I think I closed that long on CRV. But I posted in the Telegram group, this one, about CRV here. This was the target for CRV from 62 cents to 74 cents. That was the target. And now we're sitting at 70 cents. So CRV, big pump, everyone. Congratulations. And it looks still bullish. I think I said to close this trade though, but it looks bullish. CRV has a giant cup and handle as well. And it's inverse head and shoulders. So CRV is going to make a big movement. This one, CRV looks bullish. The target would be, I would do it from there. 74 cents is the target for CRV. The live stream is acting weird today. It keeps disconnecting, reconnecting. CRV, 74 cents. The connection is perfect, James. I'm now 14% up. Beautiful Skywalker. Nice. 14%. What's crazy is stocks, some stocks take 10% a year. People used to wait for 10% per year. Did you see CRV? MCRT, love your work, James. Thank you, HM. And MCRT is being built by like such a massive team. It's 100 people are working on it. It's not just me. And everyone, hit the subscribe button. Let's get to 100,000 subscribers. You can subscribe on the YouTube channel down there and follow all the links. Like there's a Telegram group, there's Twitter, there's Instagram. On my Instagram, I hit 11,000. On Twitter, I hit 37,000. We have so many amazing things. Cake, long-term targets. Let's do it. Let's check out Cake.
Wait a minute, what do you mean profit share?
We don't do profit share because normally if we basically manage your money and make profit.
Cake USDT.
And like big firms, venture capital.
I mean, all the charts have almost the same pattern because of Bitcoin.
We don't ask the piece of the profit.
Wow, Cake is at all-time, on Binance, it's at all-time low. Cake has a big resistance at $6.60. But we really need Bitcoin to stabilize, so be careful going long on alts like this right now. Only alts that are showing very bullish patterns. Cake is showing inverse head and shoulders as well, so it can have a pump. Inverse head and shoulders on Cake. So target would be $3.30, guys. MCRT you can buy on Bitmart, on MEXC, Pancake Swap. Sol is due to second governance vote to remove wallet takeover plan. That's good. They need to remove that, or it's going to Bitcoin breaking down or breaking up. Bitcoin is breaking. 2060. Nice. Our trade is in the profits then, slightly, but it's breaking out right now, which is beautiful. Our trade that we opened a few minutes ago is break even, or $14 in the profits. Nice, but it's just started. Do you have a favorite place to eat out in Australia? I've been living internationally for like 15 years, but Outback Steakhouse was always the best. I've seen you a lot at Skyview, but I always want to try to talk to you guys. Always come and say hello to us. We're just normal people. We'd love to talk to you all. I had a guy come talk to me today. He thanked me for getting, he followed my video in November 11th when I said to sell everything, that I think was the top. He sold 20 Bitcoins. So he saved $1 million from then till now. He thanked me so much. It was awesome. I love that. Like, come and say hello to us. Come talk to us. It's the best when we talk to fans. James, I am 72% at 125. Crazy. Nice. Good job, Skywalker. But I always like to use a bit lower leverage. 125, you get liquidated too quick. But if you have very tight stop losses, it's all good. And everyone, make sure go to the Telegram to follow this Crypto Guru alerts. Join this Telegram and you can see I post a lot of trades in here all the time. You can find it on Telegram. The link is in the description. The link is down below in the description. You can find the links here, Telegram, etc. Bybit, this is where we trade on. All the links are in the description. Solana looks bullish. Oh, nice. Look, when you follow, we had a subscriber, it shows. Everyone, subscribe to the channel there. And then your name pops up. Hit that subscribe button. It's down there. If you click on your phone, you click subscribe, you'll pop up here. Our goal is to have 100,000 subscribers. Can you see this thing? Subscriber goal, this like green bar. Let's try and pump this bar, everyone.
The best one they ever did. But I was interested and thought, why am I not going to make this myself? So it's awesome.
The chat seemed frozen.
You make money and your clients make money. There's nothing better.
Sweet. You're right, I get very tight stop loss.
You are going to exchange and tell them what?
Solana long. I made a long trade on Solana. I think it's bullish. Bitcoin is mooning right now. Let's go into the 15 minutes. Trade is up $17 in the profits now. Bitcoin is pumping and we're at a big resistance here. If we can break through, the next point of resistance is here at 21k. This is the trade we just opened a few minutes ago, so already in the profits, which is beautiful. Congratulations. I mean, it's only $20, but if it hits the target, it'll be like $400 or $300. $18 in the profits. If it hits the target, the profit will be $281. But $281 from a $200 trade is pretty nice. It's just a small trade. I've got big positions in Bitcoin now. Like in here, I have 4 Bitcoin. In here, I have, how many Bitcoin? In here, I have, in this account, I made $2,000 today. I've got 281,000 and I've got in here 10.2 Bitcoin. Awesome, Rod. Thank you so much. We got another subscriber now. Everyone keep pumping this subscribe. And what I recommend is don't be too worried about the short term with cryptocurrencies. Try to sell the top and try to buy the bottoms, but long term, this is just getting started, everyone. Yeah, we're at 75,000 plus subscribers. It's almost actually 76,000. I don't know why. I need to update this number. VPNs, if you're blocked, VPN is the way to go, but 22k is the target. Yeah, this is the target for, we've got this resistance here at 21. Here is a resistance, wait, here is a resistance, 21. And then the target of the trade is this one, this bigger resistance line up here, 22,000, this one, 22,959. Where did we get that target? We've got 2 bullish patterns, inverse head and shoulders, which should break to the upside. And we've got also a cup and handle, which should be breaking to the upside. So we've got 2 bullish patterns here. And then if we break there, out of there, we're also breaking out of this giant descending triangle. The base of the triangle will be our target. So we have a lot of bullish patterns here on Bitcoin. There's a lot of different bullish patterns. And if that breaks out from the base of the triangle, this distance here, 24k would be the target. We have a lot of different bullish patterns, which is very nice. We actually need that to get off the bottom. Tom from Manchester, hello. I believe it will hit 22 and go down to 13 by tomorrow afternoon, Wednesday, surrounding Jerome Powell's testimony Congress. That would be bad. 13k, anything under 18k means people will be very scared to buy Bitcoin because the narrative of that it's a gold or store of value will disappear. So we really don't want it to be breaking under 18k. Otherwise, it's going to be a long bear market, people. So, but it's possible. I've got buy orders at 17,000, 14,000, 11,000. So we need it to hold about here. Zigzag James, bro, we should totally link up in America. When I go to America, I'd love to have a meet up, but it's so far away to fly, guys. That's why I like Dubai. You can fly to Italy like 6 hours, Georgia, 5 a few hours. All of Europe is accessible. It's so nice. I love Europe. Europe is the best, and Dubai is an amazing hub to travel around Europe. Let's go. You want to listen to more from Slavik and Rover? You learn a lot from Crypto Rover.
So we need to have a lot of investors as well. But yeah, we first have to set up the basics. So that's
Does anyone want me to analyze anything else? Vet, please. Yeah, let's check out Vet. I don't know much about Vet, so I'm just doing the TA on it. Or stocks as well. We can also do stocks, but Vet on Binance. Also looking bullish. We've got this cup and handle, similar formation. A lot of these patterns are playing out because of Bitcoin's bullishness. This cup and handle would take us, if the bottom is in, this is bullish for everything. This is the target for cup and handle, 0.25. If we go onto the weekly, we bounced off a major support for Vet. Look at that. This major support going back to August 2020. Bounced off there.
it's crazy.
It fully erased the whole 2020 run-up. It's crazy. Vet at the high was 0.3. So it got destroyed, 90% drop, unfortunately. But we're holding on this major support. If this support breaks, if Bitcoin breaks, the next big support for Vet will be at 0.01.
The right people in the right place.
It said it disconnected again.
First of October. And early birds 2 weeks ago.
Could everyone see my analysis on Vet?
Everything should be for that, because right now we are beta testing with the bots. There are still some issues. Because
I've been to Singapore, but I haven't spent much time there. It was like 2 days. I remember it was very clean. The food is epic.
with the same entry price, because
But I didn't spend much time in Singapore. Dude, I love Slavik. I don't like Rover. Rover is very smart.
thank you.
They said, I love Slavik, I don't like Rover, and I said Rover is very smart. Rover's very nice. I very like him. He's a genius. He's 21 years old, guys. 21. He has 85,000 followers on YouTube. He has 250,000 followers on Twitter, and he's 21. And he's a millionaire from crypto. Well, Paltalk Congress economy could withstand rate increases we're going to be making. If they keep pumping the rate increases, this will be very bad.
So that you, let's say, if you're buying
Jordan will be killing Rover.
Bitcoin, or even if it's one way,
Yes, he's a moon boy, but moon boys in the long run are usually right. They just don't realize that you can't keep telling buy the dip as it's falling, because a lot of people will burn out all their money. So it's better, in my opinion, to sell towards the top, buy close to the bottom. He's doing beta testing of Rover is building a new algorithmic trading bot that he's working on right now.
that's why
Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Good question. I would have an apartment in Dubai, a house in Switzerland, and on a super yacht.
some years you
But pretty much almost exactly the same lifestyle with my hopefully wife by that time, not just fiance.
30 to 60%.
Yeah, where's this news that you talked about? This is big news. Eldon, let's check out Neo. Neo got. Let's look at Neo. Neo is the car company, everyone.
But from all the back
That descending triangle didn't play out for Neo, got hammered. So this is Neo. It's on a major support. It came down to $11, crazy, and the big bounce, almost 100% up. The big support was here on Neo. But it looks like it's actually turning up on the weekly. Squeeze mob going green, RSI turning up from very oversold, stochastic turning up from very oversold. On the weekly it looks bullish. On the daily it looks bullish, but very overbought now, a little bit overbought, so be careful buying here. It can pull back, but it looks bullish. And there's a W, there's a cup and handle. It looks bullish to me. If it can break this resistance, it's going to go up to a run up. The target would be $24, so around 20% pump. Neo looks bullish, which is interesting because the market was pulling back, but Neo was going up. That's interesting. Next week, I'm back home at Address Skyview. Maybe I'll meet you guys there. Definitely, Rahman. Come say hello, spend time with us. We'd love to talk to you. Okay, everyone, we've been live for a while. I love talking to you all. Thank you all so much. I'll go live more often. I'm going to be doing this a lot because it can show you a lot of stuff. We can show TA, I can show Binance, I can show my Bybit. Let's check our Bitcoin trade, up $21 since we opened it a few minutes ago. Nice, it's very small, $23, a little bit of a pump. Again, all the links are down below, everyone. In the description down below. To trade, use the same Bybit link. Join my Bybit team. You get $4,800 bonus when you deposit. If you don't use that link, you only get $400. I've got a trading Bitcoin and altcoin live tutorial video, the master course. Take the crypto master course so you learn everything that I'm teaching. And if you've been, who's taken my master course? I'm very curious. Who here has taken the crypto master course, guys? I want everyone to take it. I don't really care. Like, I want you to learn. It's 12 lessons. I want you to learn in detail what I'm doing. Who's here's taken the crypto master course and the stock master course? Love you too, Rahil. Thank you guys for joining us. Awesome. T-Thick, Rahman have taken it. It took me 20 years to learn the knowledge that I learned to put in that course. RDM's taken it. You know that crypto master course is actually one of the top selling crypto courses, which is pretty cool. It's one of the most popular crypto courses. I made that. I loved making that course. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. All the links, join everything. Come on to Instagram so you follow everything. The Telegram chat room, all the links down below. Love you all. Have an amazing day. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.
Yeah, but that's not it's an indicator.
So that's it, right? It doesn't trade.
No, you have to do it yourself.